Hi, thanks for stopping by. You can see on the left-hand side here, I'm in the All Events panel for the Event Organizer dashboard right here as I use the highlight. I'll make this a little bit bigger so you can see it a little bit better. One more click. And when I do that, you'll see that there are 309 games left for the NFL year, excuse me. There are 210 upcoming based on September 28th. And I'm going to drill into the 29th, and you can see that, visually back up here, 309 in S3 bucket. That was totally loaded in for all the games. 210 is upcoming based on September 28th. I'm going to go to the 29th, and you can see as I drill through the bucket here, the S3 bucket, I get an opportunity to use a search head here and determine which one to look for. Now I could on 12 obviously find it really quick, but I'm just looking for the Broncos here and showing a demo. So with that said, you'll see that there's no calendar invites have been set out on our stack, and that stack is a simple invite service. We use the simple email service from AWS and the AWS service stack. So that's the plug there. Let's go back to view events, 309, 210, 29th, drill down into Broncos, and that's the event we're going to be monitoring here as I send data to this event via this API. Now this API in which we've built here is right here. The quick on it is what I'm showing you here is we put a bunch of data into AWS system. I'm going to send a calendar invite out to a list. This is emulating a demo we've built called the Calendar Snack Engine. I'm going to upload the list. It's going to send out the calendar invites. We're going to take a peek at the data, and then we're going to look at granular data here via a report. So that said, let me go back to live. I'm going to choose a file. I'm going to scroll down, and when I scroll down, it's not there. So let me go back up and go to the schedule here. That is where the data set is here, and that's a text file. When I click it, you can see that the games load up here. This is our API displaying what calendar invites are in the upcoming engine, and there are 200 and some as I showed you over here. Now when I show you the email list, those 11 there, and I'm going to basically go down to the Denver Broncos as I talked about. Denver Broncos is over here. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, and I'm going to go down here and send it out. So that's the Denver Broncos I've highlighted here in the picker, and that's going to hit our API for bulk calendar invite send. That data set is in Dynamo, and all I have to do is summon it, by this little clicker here. Now it's going to go out to this API here as I buy a little bit of time, and that API is essentially going to send out the calendar invite itself. So it's going to basically send it to this API right here. And as I bought a little time there, I go back to it. You'll see a calendar invite has been sent to Mandy at TechVader. She's going to say yes. And let me move this over here. I am going to expand for Zach, and you see Zach got a calendar invite too. He's going to say yes. The importance of this part of the demo is you'll see here when I refresh the screen, we're actually collecting the calendar receipts. And the important part is I just showed you I sent out 11, we collected 2. This is the meta layer. I don't show detailed information here due to privacy reasons. If I want to see a granulated email report or calendar invite report on receipts, it's going to be sent to the organizer, and that organizer is right here. Now you'll see that it just clicked and beeped, and it's for 447. This report here upon request was 447. You'll see it's a live demo, and both Zach and Mandy have accepted the calendar invitation for the Broncos game. Now if I go back real quick to both of these and go to Mandy first, and I'm going to say Mandy has had a change of heart, and then that was Zach. Apologize for that. Let me go here. You'll see it was Zach here said no, and Mandy's going to say no. They both said no, I don't want to go. And back to the data collection engine over here. I'm going to refresh it. You'll see it here. Still 2 invites being collected. Both have now declined. And then I'm going to summon the exact detail report here due to privacy. Like I said, it's going to come back to the organizer, which is here. And the organizer is going to receive an updated report. And should just be coming here in a second. There it is. I'm going to preview it real quick, and you can see that Zach declined and Mandy declined. That's the end of the demo, and thanks for stopping by and checking us out.